There we go. It didn't look bad, but it felt sort of bad. Okay, I'll meet you down here. The first bit's really hard, so just like slide down. Yeah, it's deep right there. Yes, yeah, dude. Listen, find a handhold with your left hand there, and then just make sure you got a good grip with your hand. There you go. It's very tight here, and there's obviously a deep hole. So honestly, like crouching and then putting my leg out. Here, let me grab your camera. Unless do you want me to?
Sure.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep. Now you're free to go for a swim if you want. There you go. Now you just put your, oh God. Just hold on. Find a good hold for your, yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay. Yeah, it's a little sketchy. Hopefully that's the worst of what we encountered today. Oh, nice fish. Just came up and bit it there. Just didn't connect with him. He was right in the tail out. Let's try a couple more drifts here. Oh my gosh. Just not connecting. Not connecting. Come on. Come on, guys. Give me a solid eat. Dang. There we go. Oh man. All right, that's my luck for this hole. Let's move on up and see what else we can find. I think I've thoroughly spooked these guys. There we go. There we go. Oh, don't go down there, my friend. All right, we're going down here, huh? All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. It's gonna be a good time today, I can tell you that right now. Look how big these canyon walls are too. Springs dripping off of them. Incredible. Got ourselves a nice brown. Start the day. Incredible hole here. These big cliffs dropping down right into the water. We've seen some fish feeding right off the surface, kind of right as the rapids tail out here. I'm just trying to work my way up slowly without spooking any of them. This pool is definitely a little bit tricky for Tenkara, I'd say. You know, I'd like to be able to bomb a cast out there, get my flies in a little bit closer without having to get myself closer. But we're gonna try to make do with what we got. That's kind of part of the charm of Tenkara a lot of times as well. Let's see what we can make happen. There we go. Oh yeah. Hanging out right in that tail out, right where we had seen some dry fly action. I think there's quite a few fish in there. Oh man, this is so cool. We had to hike back quite a ways from our camp, and we hiked downstream a ways from our exit point as well. And our plan today is to fish back upstream. There we go. Nice brown, really pretty. There we go. Nice weight behind this fish. Oh yeah. I'm using the Tenkara Rodco Teton today. I wanted to feel a bit more of the fight. The Rocky is really incredible at fighting big fish, but kind of wanted a little bit more of a challenge. And this rod has certainly given it to me, but at the same time, we're actually able to subdue these fish surprisingly quickly as well. It's really kind of cool how well long Tenkara rods work, you know? Even if they're a bit softer and they kind of flex a bit more, it really tires fish out pretty quickly. There we go. Yes, nice brown. Working my way up into the current just a bit here. Try to throw my flies to some new fish. There's one right off the bat there. Man, killer spot down here. This canyon is just ridiculous. I love the look of the reflected light down in the water here. It's just a beautiful place. You know, I come from a landscape photography background, and being in places like this really gets me going. Really makes me feel happy. It's cool to be able to combine my passion for fishing with my passion for filming and being in beautiful places. Man, the action's hot and heavy in this pool. Fish just keep on coming. It's not a surprise either. I mean, look at this place. Good 4 or 5 feet deep out in the middle of this run. Just a trout paradise, really. There we go. Another fish on. It only takes a few casts. Pretty wild stuff, honestly. Haven't really seen him yet. It feels like he's got some good weight to him though. He's definitely staying down deep here. This Teton really is a nice mixture between something soft enough that, you know, kind of medium, decent sized fish feel really good on it, but it's still stiff enough. It's got a strong enough backbone that you can still kind of toss around some heavier nymphs and potentially, with a bit of luck and a bit of skill, tame some larger fish as well. So it's actually a really nice rod. I should probably use it more. I'm always defaulting to the Rocky because I'm always throwing big heavy nymph rigs, and you know that thing's like a broomstick and throws them around really well. But honestly, really liking the nice balance of the Teton today. Ah, popped right out. Dang, that's a bummer. We're so close. That was a pretty decent brown too. I'm gonna get back in there. There's definitely some more to be had. There we go. That didn't take long. Not as big as the last one, unfortunately, but a fish nonetheless in a beautiful place. Still makes me happy. Nice little brownie. I think I actually see a fish hanging out right to the slack on the right side there. He's just chilling right in that slow water. Let's see if I can drop one down stealth. There we go. Great cast. It was right over him. Did not take. I'm gonna try a couple more times here. There we go. Still haven't gotten a good look at this fish yet. Not bad, just a strong fighter. What do we got? Looks like another nice brown. All right, man, this hole just keeps producing. Ooh, man, coming up on a really pretty set of pools here. Cliffside. Everything's reflecting bright orange in this beautiful canyon light. Man, what a gorgeous spot. Ooh, just had a bite there. Oh, come on. Let's do this. There we go. Oh, woo! There we go. Crazy little dude. All right, awesome. Yeah, that fish was tiny, but man, have you ever caught a tiny fish in such an incredible place as this? I mean, that truly changes the situation, changes the scenario, and makes that little fish so very special. And there we go, got another one in the deeper side of the pool there. This one's a nicer fish for sure. Oh yeah. Oh my God, what a cool place this is. This is just like, this is a dream come true for me. Catching beautiful fish up against beautiful cliffs like this. Good Lord, incredible. Woo-hoo. Yes, yes. So cool. Oh my gosh. This backpacking trip has been honestly the trip of a lifetime. So much fun. Just jam-packed with beautiful sights. All right, let's get you in here, buddy. He's under the rock. Please don't be gone. Please don't be gone. Come on. Oh no, come on. Oh, I want to land this fish. Oh. That must have been a good sized fish, huh? It was a decent rainbow, maybe 14. That makes me bummed, really bummed.
It broke you off probably once you got under there?
It was like up under, it was like perfect, like the line went into like a crack, you know, like it just converged, and he might have still been on, I don't know, and I reached under there and it's just broke off, so. Losing that last rainbow under the rock really hurt, but we're still in the good stuff here. This pool is honestly even better. Definitely bigger, definitely deeper. Right below this cliff, beautiful backlit light, waterfall pouring in. Man, this is truly the stuff dreams are made of. Incredible fishing spot. I mean, just ridiculous, honestly. There we go. Ooh. Ooh, man, we're having some bad luck in these holes. It's all right though, it's definitely gonna happen again eventually. A little string of bad luck isn't going to keep us away. All right, it's time for a little redemption here. Let's find some more fish. I know there's got to be a few more in this pool. That fish, you know, he did a nice high jump and just got right off, no problem. But the next fish I hook, I so badly want it to hit my net. There we go. All right, stay on, buddy. Stay on. Come on. Let's do this. So we got a nice rainbow. Boom. Yes, that feels good. Well, it took a few tries, but we finally landed a beautiful rainbow. Well, man, we've been going hard for a while now. Fished that absolutely epic pool back below the cliff there as the last spot before this one, and came up empty-handed. So it's definitely been a slight struggle, but we got a few more pools at least, you know, before we get back to the trailhead, start making my way back to the car. So we're gonna keep fishing hard, keep hoping for some more fish, but it's been a little bit of a struggle today for sure. Although one thing I will say is, despite it being a little bit of a struggle, it has been absolutely incredibly beautiful, and that has made the pain of not catching fish very much more bearable. Oh, there was a hit. That's the other thing too, is they just have not been fully connecting today. It's been tough, man. Lots of strikes and misses. They're just hitting it so quick. There's one. Oh, tangled up under this log though. Oh crap. Come on, buddy. Oh, yeah. Whew. Oh boy. We're in a nasty spot here. We're in a nasty spot, guys. There we go. Yes. Get the heck out of there. I can't believe that. That was a stroke of luck. Nice brown. There we go. Yes, it's been a minute, but we got another nice fish in the net.
Before you go, give me a few seconds to tell you about some cool stuff I have going on. Besides a YouTuber, I'm a nature photographer as well. Head over to my website at flickyflies.com to see a selection of my images available as high-quality prints. On my Patreon, you can support me directly from as little as $2 a month and receive perks such as watching my videos ad-free, behind-the-scenes content, personalized shoutouts at the end of every video, and more. Another easy way to support me is by shopping directly through the links or using the coupon codes found in the description below the like button. Filming my adventures is a labor of love, but it's something that I'd like to make a little more financially viable. Any extra support is extremely impactful and greatly appreciated. Thanks so much for being here. I'll catch you next time.